Hero Session 5. Now, just a quick little demonstration of some of the things you're going to get to whoever wins this Hero 5 session. You get this handy little application right here, and it downloads. Well, I think you have to actually download it, but you're gonna go and download this from GoPro.com, and this little quick application is gonna be what allows you to download all of your files, and you get 30 gigabytes. 20% is going to always be used for the system files, but it holds quite a bit, 30 gigabytes. And once you plug this camera in, it'll automatically start to download the files to wherever you set it up to download them. And so let's see. I mean, you'll be able to figure this out. It's real easy. You just kind of set it where you want it to go. It's the import location, and here's all the different folders it'll look at. So when you want to make movies or videos, like you can go to your media, and it'll pull all of your, all of your different photos from all of those different locations. So it's a neat little program, neat little camera, makes making movies real simple. I got another video already that I show you that I use movie Movie Maker by Windows to do all of my videos. There you go. I'm not doing it. Alright, here we go for this GoPro Hero 5 giveaway. Been looking forward to doing this. First off, thanks to everybody that subscribed to the channel. Getting 1,000 subs is harder than YouTube thinks. And maybe that's what they want to do. But I want to check my list here. I'm gonna definitely check for a couple of people that I know are always what I call those involved subscribers. Let's see. Let me shout out to Random Ryan. Random Ryan, let me see if your name is in this list. Go to the auras. Random Ryan. Yep, there he is right there. Shout out to let's see, Bateman Gaming, Christian Marleton. Is that name on there anywhere? Christian. Yep, there he is. John. I think that's Sherm. Shout out to John Sherm. These are people that they've actually commented, and I can actually see their comments. Yep. Oh, you made the list. Let me just go down this thing here. Chester, I want to say Teles. Yeah, Chester Teles is on the list. Joseph J. I think I just did Joseph J. Shout out to Joseph J. Oh, there he is. Let's see, Reed ZLA. Let's make sure Reed ZLA is on this. And again, these are people that they specifically commented to me, you know, on the comment section to, you know, make sure that they're on the list. So that's what I'm going to take the time to do. Outcast Racing, shout out Outcast Racing. Alex, I don't want to mess his name up. P-A-L-E-T-T-E. Palette. Alex on the list. Yep, Alex is on the list. Cedric Button. Said it. Cedric Britton. There he is right there. Is that Corey Rains? Yep, that's Corey Rains. Compton Chucks with a Z. Yep, this is Totin. T-O-T-I-N-N. 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 Chris Alvarez. These are some of the people that were like immediately subscribed, like over a month ago, maybe even longer than that. Ashby Showalter. I hope I didn't mess that up. Ashby. Yep, there you go, right there. And of course, I know I've seen Bilbo Baggins. That's a name you can't hardly forget. Bilbo Baggins. Like I said, now these are the people that, you know, they actually shout out to me. A lot of these other ones, I got the emails from them, or I could see their subscribers in YouTube's application. So we got about 395 total. It's 1,000 total, but only 395 people have actually been able to contact me, or I can see their subscribers' name in YouTube's application. So that's bad for them, but that's good for you all, because you actually get to have a 1 in 395, 1 out of 395 chance to winning that GoPro. So let's just see how we're going to do this. Alright, so we're going to go to the selection deal. Oh, wait a minute. YouTube links. Oh. Dummy. You want to go to YouTube links. Random name picker. Alright, so the way we do this is like I showed you in the previous video. For those that watch it, we go to this random name picker. We're going to copy and paste all of the names in there. So as I scroll through this, should go everybody's name that was on that Excel spreadsheet is now in here. So I'm just going to double check. I like some of you guys' names. It's funny. Look, Kevin on the bus, Kush Doctor, Kush Doctor. Shout out to Kush Doctor. And so all of those people that were on the list and those people that I shouted out. Let's see here. Let's make sure everybody's name transferred. There's Alex. And it's pretty simple. I mean, you copy from the spreadsheet and you just paste it in here. That within a random Ryan. Shout out to Random Ryan. Random Ryan is a huge notification guru. So he's on that notification squad. Reads LA. So you can see, I mean, the names, all of the names that I shouted out, and all the names that were already in the list. They're here. They transferred over. Base, Compton Chucks, just scrolling through here and just looking. Yeah, so it's pretty much confirmation. Everything that I transferred over. So what we want to do here is we got all the names in there, and as I think I was saying, if you're gonna do a subscriber drawing, just as a YouTube promotion, the subscriber drawing is kind of hard because you got to keep that spreadsheet. All the subscribers aren't shown. There should be 1,000 people on here, but it's only like 395 or 96. That's because YouTube allows people to hide their subscriptions, so you can't. Doing a subscriber list, you're not gonna get all your subscribers, you know. And it is work intensive. So your better option is you want to try to do something for as many subscribers as you can. So I would say do a subscriber drawing, because once you get the list, then of course you got the list. But an easier drawing is to do a likes or comment drawing, because it's all done on the internet. They have a site just like this one that you can actually just go based on likes or comments, and it'll actually go in and just, you put the video name that you want to have as the source data, and you click on it, and everybody who's actually clicked like on that video, you know, by such and such date, they're automatically randomly selected, and you choose one of that way. So much easier. But if you just want to, you know, do something for your subscribers, then you definitely want to do the work intensive subscriber giveaways. And so but you know, you guys don't want to hear all that. What we want to do now is we want to do this drawing, and I've confirmed that all the names are in there. And so all we got to do now is pick a random name. This person is going to win that GoPro Hero 5 Session awesome portable camera. So without further ado, here we go. Boom. Jonathan MARIN QUEVEDO, Jonathan MARIN QUEVEDO. That is the winner of the first J-DKB YouTube channel giveaway. So I do thank everybody, all you guys, man, for subscribing, commenting, liking the videos. It's big time appreciated. You know, 1,000 subscribers is just a start. We're gonna keep it going till we get as many as we can. And again, this YouTube thing isn't about money for me because there's really no money in YouTube. Well, I take that back. There is, but it's hard to get there. So do this for fun. But we're gonna give away a lot more stuff. Some T-shirts we got coming. I'm gonna post it at the end of the video when those will probably be given away. Don't think we're gonna sell them. We're probably just gonna give that kind of stuff away. But we'll have to play it by ear. But Jonathan, MARIN, QUEVEDO, congratulations, my man. The first GoPro winner. Just a little administrative stuff. Once we notify you that you won the prize via your YouTube channel, you got a week to kind of give us, confirmation that you want to accept the prize and that you can provide a good U.S. mailing address because we cannot ship overseas. So, congratulations, Jonathan, MARIN, QUEVEDO. MARIN, QUEVEDO, to everybody that participated, that you didn't win, hey, stick with it, because we're going to be giving away some more stuff. I'm really planning on giving away a really nice YouTube starter kit for somebody. Of course, with the GoPro 5 Hero camera, because that's the camera I like, and it's not very expensive. If there's something out there that's better, we might look at two, but right now I like the GoPro, and you can watch some of the videos on why I like it. But anyway, Jonathan, QUEVEDO, congratulations to everybody that participated. Thanks, subscribers, all the subscribers. Thanks. I do appreciate you subscribing, looking at the videos, commenting, liking, sharing, especially sharing. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be making some of that YouTube dollars. But right now, thanks everybody, and we are out until the next drawing. Peace.